Let's take a look at the San Marino, California Global Nominee, Sounds of Science. Let's take a look at their challenge. In this challenge, NASA talks about sonifications, which is turning data into sound. The challenge is to design a method to create sonifications on NASA space datasets to help everyone understand them. Let's take a look at their project. This project's called SOES, Solar Earth Warning System, and it uses information from NASA and the United States Geological Survey. And this is going to be used in case there's a disaster. So it says it works in a couple different stages. It takes information and puts it in through a sonification algorithm, and then that frequency is heard on an Arduino. They have a great video that kind of shows this in action. Let's check it out. So here they envision what it's going to look like, including the Arduino box and connected to the broadcast speakers, and how the electronics would even connect. So congratulations, team, on making a global nominee. Something like this Solar Earth warning system could really help communities.